commercial design seminars, events, and exhibitions happening throughout India. I can proudly say CCD is the first ever show in South Asia covering commercial design, especially workspace and hospitality.
I think it was a very interesting, exhilarating session. We had the topmost designers, we had Mukul Goyal, we had Sonali Bhagwati, Swansal and Amit Arora, DCA. And they predicted what would be the new trends in hospitality and workspace. I think some brilliant ideas and a lot of participation from the audience, and I think a lot of nice takeaways. It was a nice session.
I think it went really well. A lot of industry leaders were there. A lot of group discussion and nice panel discussion.
Such experiences and such events which brings the fraternity together is always a very good idea.
I think it's moving in right direction. The first gala event has really come up the way we envisaged.
This has been one of its kind of experience at the event today. In terms of the format, something new. In terms of a lot of vendors who we usually deal with on a day-to-day basis.
I think it's been a great first show, and we feel happy about it. We feel happy participating. Thanks CCD for getting us here.
For CCD to come up within not even a year's time, from a scratch note to aspiring every level is an unbelievable thing. In fact, I've been through many journeys and many activities concerned with architecture and the built spaces. But this has been a journey that really fascinated me.
For the first event, the kind of response that we've got is phenomenal, and I really look forward for the next year to be much more grander, much more bigger, and much more in the limelight.
I think what is being done with CCD is something that the industry needed. We needed to bring all the industry stalwarts, thinkers on one common platform, meet together and think about the future of the industry, and that's what has been achieved. I think it's a start of a new thought, but it is something that the industry needed for many years together, and my big congratulations to the organizers who have managed to pull it off. It was no mean ask. It's not something that can be easily achieved, and what organizers have managed to pull off is truly commendable, and all the best.
It's a great environment here, and we had a couple of great interactions with people around of the industry, great products on display, and I can see a lot of enthusiasm in people around, a lot of new brains, new minds, and I look forward to having better designs, having better solutions, and creating better workspaces.
It's quite different atmosphere, quite open, and I think the amount of people who have come, the quality of the people who have come have been very good. Of course, we have had a good day in terms of footfalls into our stall.
was our first experience in CCD, which was one of its kind, where you see a lot of service providers along with industry partners collaborating, talking about the latest trends on different aspects of the projects, and also seeing where the workplace moves in future. It was good to chat with colleagues of similar intent, and we at Mohawk had a very good time in talking to architects, end users and designers, and explaining them about what Mohawk Group is all about in terms of the latest Living Building Challenge.
So this is, one such kind of experience for us where we are able to exhibit. We were able to exhibit and meet same time the architect fraternity and the people who are responsible for dealings. So I think 2 days were really good for us, and we all the best to TCMM team for organizing this in very short time of period, because for them also it's the first year and it's a learning year, how they can plan for the next year. So thank you once again, and look forward for for the better engagement, and again very similar kind of platform for us.
Very interesting platform, different industries put together, combined on the one target, the hospitality, exchanging their experience and exchanging also different ways of looking into the hospitality. And this is firing ideas. So creating pools of new thinking, which result finally in increasing our businesses.
Personality is very, very important, especially in the hospitality sector. We are in the floor covering industry. So for us, our product is very, very important that it should perform to the right standards. These are all high cafeterias that one has to work with. We definitely want to work with materials which are going to perform over time. And as for our first panelist said, it should be very easy to maintain.
We make wellness center, spa center different to the others because we want to find something different for the client. Because in the hotel, if you have one spa very special, people speak with other people and become very good commercial way for have more clients. CCD is very good exhibition. There are lots of interesting people I met here. I met client, I met architect, I met very, very interesting. I'm very happy.
It has given a platform for many of the manufacturers and products which are both Indian and international, a platform to interact with architects, designers, and also come up with innovative ways of their application and adaptation in their workspaces and design spaces.
We have generated a few leads also, and we got to know about other sector also, how they are dealing with the corporate segments. And yes, we will try to be a part of such events in Bangalore also.
CCD, we were introduced when I met Manjeet for the first time in one of the conferences, and he had amazing things to talk about. The first right thing which he was able to do was to get right people on the board. The panelists, the advisory board, the kind of people associated, spot on.
I'm actually amazed to see the kind of setup that this particular conference is, offering. It's really open, vibrant, yet innovative. It actually gave us a chance while we were talking about, our skills and our competences or our industry domains. we were actually running through the ideas of looking at the products which were around, which were available and visible right there.
Absolutely inspired by the symbiotic relationship of high tech and high touch. I think this is one of the platforms where we can capitalize on meeting up with a very targeted and focused industry segment of architects and designers.
I would say it's a really open environment, a lot of cross collaboration between different industry experts here. I really love the product range here, which is really going to be the future of workspaces.
We started working on this concept in March with Manjeet, and initially it was a little difficult to understand what he actually wanted. But the concept of open design and open spaces in the working environment, it's finally come together as we thought it would.
I see this growing ahead. Something which I liked about this is the format, the quality of the layout, the theme, and importantly the topics and the choice of people. And I'm sure going forward with the emphasis on corporates, the near future will see the attendance of more corporates.
My experience of coming here to the expo has been really good because I have not seen this prior in any of the exhibitions where it is openly put out, where you could feel and see things and understand, and it's a very good experience for me. I think I look forward to many more like this.
Overall exhibition, I think is coming out very well. Probably I connected with a couple of people, a couple of stalls. I came to know how the big manufacturer, depending upon the ancillaries, probably you never get insight of that. Today I came to know how they are being supported, who are the other partners who can also be working indirectly with us, which we are hidden, to be very frank. Plus, we got more options because if we go to that particular manufacturer, there is a limited option. Overall, I see very well organized. It's a good initiative.
We were really happy to showcase our products to them, especially the 360-degree gliding chair which we launched.
we're very happy to present our products and be a part of this CCD event. What an interesting concept. The whole idea of going experiential in the design rather than going for the very run-of-the-mill booth-like concepts. So I think that was good because it's always good to be in the spaces and feel them and experience them as a landscape, as a setting, rather than as a product.